What is up, beautiful people of the internet? My name is Amethyst. I'm so happy that you are here over on this channel, Amethyst Budgets. Basically, I am a low-income cash and online stuffer, and this channel is basically just my journey trying to get my money right, get my money up. I am slowly trying to transition into, well, I'm trying to make it fast, but I am transitioning into having like a little business for myself with budgeting, supplies, and then also I do basically side incomes in order to make my full income. So I do delivery driving and I sell clothes online. And currently I'm trying to work harder to get my online clothing business to be my main source of income and then make this like a little side hustle. I'm sorry, I changed the exposure. Let me see if I can change it again. I felt like that looks good, right? Yeah, I think so. I felt like my exposure was a little too high in my last couple of videos. I have like super big windows right here. So sometimes it can get to be too much. So today, I don't know why I'm out of breath. Do any of you, my fellow YouTubers, ever feel like you like talk yourself so much through things that like you end up running out of breath? I don't know. I don't know if that's just me, but whenever I turn on the camera, I like forget to breathe properly, I guess. I don't know. So I did lose my pinky nail. I was cooking and it popped off because I honestly didn't apply this set very well. I literally just like threw on the glue and put the nails over top, like bad cuticles and all, just because I wanted to get it done quickly. So I'm surprised that they've lasted this long, but yeah, this one popped off and I put it in a very specific spot, but I don't remember which spot that was. So my ADHD brain was like, yeah, we're gonna remember that later, and I did not. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a happy meal. I was waiting to get one other product, but I don't think that she's gonna be able to ship it for a while. So I will get to that when I get to that, I guess. But I purchased some savings challenges from Hands and Bands, and I'm so very excited. I have been eyeing her challenges for a long time. I might be mistaken on this, but I'm fairly certain she was like the first one to do scratch offs. So I wanted to make sure that I bought from her. Definitely the first ones I saw were by her, and so I knew that I wanted to buy some off of her. And I just like Alicia a lot. I really like her videos and I like her vibe, and she's a teacher and I used to teach and my mom is a teacher, so there's like a little bit of a sentimental value there. So this is what she sent, and these are things that I purchased. So she's got like her contact and everything. I want to get myself one of these. I did get myself please don't have a discount on here. Okay. I try not to, like if I get Happy Meal and stuff, I don't want to like put someone's discount code. But yeah, so she got this little card. I just ordered myself some postcards that are like this, so I'm so very excited to receive those. And she left me a little note, and I'm not gonna lie, I did open this already and I did read the note and I love it. So thank you so much, Alicia. She sent 2 tokens, which was really sweet because I did mention to her that one of the savings challenges that I bought is actually going to go to one of you guys. So that was really cool that she sent in one here for you guys. So that's really cool. I love this so very much for many reasons, but also my hometown is Jupiter. Like it's called Jupiter, Florida. So I really love this because it's like, I don't know. Actually, I don't even think Jupiter's on here. Maybe that might be Jupiter. That one's Saturn. I don't know. But I love this. I love this very much. And I like that it is like you get to choose, because being low income, it actually is really hard to find savings challenges that are like good for my budget, because you never know if you're going to end up not having enough. So it's like nerve-wracking to buy certain savings challenges, you know? I'm trying not to zoom out too much so that you guys can't see how messy my desk is. Okay, and then she also sent a happy birthday one. This one I did not purchase, so this is a little freebie here. This one will definitely go out to a subscriber. I do not celebrate my birthday. I don't know if I've talked, yeah, I kind of talked about that. So I don't celebrate my birthday, but I think that this will be perfect for one of you guys. So that's great. I get the vacation one and you guys get that one. And we have the savings challenges. So I got the $50 one. I got the 2-sheet, 50 and 100. And then I told her just throw in one that's like religious neutral. And she sent in this. I'm jealous. I'm so jealous. Like, guys, I might not give this to you. I really, really, really love this, Alicia. This is the cutest thing ever. So you've got like the sweaters and the turkeys and just the fall themes, which is like still religion neutral in my opinion. I just absolutely love this. So thank you so very much, Alicia. Like, this is such a good savings challenge. It's gonna hurt my heart to send it out, but also I want to thank my subbies, so it's fine. So I love this so very much. If you are interested in getting any of these for yourself, don't want to wait for a giveaway chance, definitely hit up her Etsy shop down below. And there is a fruit fly that's been in my room for like 3 days. I don't even know if that's scientifically possible. I thought they had like a 24-hour lifespan, but yeah, it's been annoying me like crazy. Our whole entire complex, this is probably TMI, so you can skip if you want, but my entire complex right now is having like a insect issue. So that's super fun. Like literally no matter how clean my kitchen is, I will walk in the middle of the night and there are bugs, and it's like so frustrating. And luckily I'm not one of those people that's like super paranoid about them, so like I don't think I'm getting traumatized, but it's getting to the point where like I can't take a sip of anything without being nervous. And it's like not just my apartment, it's the entire complex. Granted, we do like, so we live in like, it's like a box basically, and so there's forest everywhere, and we live in low income, so like the pest control isn't actually that great. So that's probably a big part of it too. So I basically am gonna go out and buy some of my own pest control to use on my personal apartment. Okay, so this thing I got off Amazon. They're so cute. Okay, so there are 2 little binders here, and the idea was to get them for like miniature wallet cash envelopes. Because I don't really like the system I have for my wallet right now. And so I really wanted to get something that would work for that. I kind of mentioned before, like I was looking for someone who did like a small business, but the ones that I was seeing on Etsy that I wanted were literally just Amazon products being resold. So I was like, I don't know. I didn't feel like that was, I don't know. Okay, so wait, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Yeah, I didn't really like the idea of just purchasing something that someone was reselling, you know, like if I can just go out to Amazon and buy it with 2-day shipping. So I didn't end up purchasing from an Amazon seller just because like for me, or not from an Etsy seller. I felt weird buying an Etsy seller who was literally just taking an Amazon product and selling it themselves. So this is what I got. I got 2 of them. So one of them is for the giveaway, but I'm now not sure because I don't even know if you can put cash in this. The idea was to create my own little envelopes. Oh yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so okay, forget this terrible method of clasping, but can I even fit like money in this? No. Dang it. Oh, I think I might have to return this. I can fold it into thirds, but I really don't want to do that. Like, yeah, I really just don't want to do that. Let me see. Well, I'm thinking, you know what, maybe I'll, because it's so cute. I don't actually know what I'm supposed to do with these either. These were supposed to be hole punched so I can put them in here, but they're not. Okay, interesting. So I will figure that out. So is the paper, so the paper is hole punched. So they're just little notebooks. I guess that's my bad, because I should have done more research on it. I think they're cute. Maybe I'll just keep them for like little note card thingies. I don't know. Well, okay, that was okay. I can't even think of the words right now. Not disappointing, but like like, what is it called when like you hype something up a lot and then it ends up being like, not hype at all. I don't know what that's considered. Okay, but these are really cute little dashboards. I do wish that they were hole punched, but that's fine. I can figure out a way to do that myself. Maybe I'll attempt, oh my god, that one's so cute. Maybe I will attempt to make some cash envelopes and try it out anyways. I think this is just super adorable. Either way, I am definitely going to enjoy using this as a little notebook. I can keep it in my bag for my ADHD thoughts. So we have this one and this one. This one has like a little dinosaur keychain, and then this one has, let me see if I can just get the keychain out. This one has like a little cat keychain. So I did want the dinosaur one for myself, and then I wanted to do the cat one as a giveaway. Maybe I'll still do that. Let me show you guys what it is. So, oh, they're all the same. So maybe I'll still do that. It wasn't that expensive, so... And I used the money that I pulled out of my investment account to purchase them. So that's why I justified buying it. But now it looks like I'm going to have to go out and buy something anyways. We'll see. I'll try it out and see if I like it. Anticlimactic. That's the word I'm thinking of. Okay, so those were the only two things that I really had to show you guys. You know what, why don't we set it up? If I'm going to keep it, which I probably am. Okay, so you got a little set of stickers here, and then you got all these cute little pieces of paper for jotting notes. Adorable. Let's do the rest. What am I going to do with this? I have no clue. If I can't make envelopes. Okay. It is really cute. I have to admit. It is really cute. Now will you clasp? Yep. I can use... I'll figure something out. I'm not supposed to be filming a video right now. I actually have an extremely large to-do list, and it is like 6 o'clock on Sunday, and I've just been working all day long on Sunday. I spent like 2 hours at what you guys would consider church. It's not called church for my religion, but like church, religious meeting. So I spent that 2 hours there, but the rest of it I just worked and cleaned and cooked, and I am feeling so tired, and I really wanted to hop on and film a video for you guys. I've been missing filming, like I haven't done it in a week, and I'm like, I want to get on camera and say hi to everybody. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi and share what I got for this Happy Mail here. And yeah, I think that was it. Super random, small video. Sorry to anyone who felt this was anticlimactic. But stick around because hopefully there's going to be a lot more content. I have so many video ideas. I also have a vlog channel that I've only posted one video on, but I've filmed like 4 or 5 for, and I have those videos ready to just be edited and uploaded, so I'm planning on posting more over there. Currently it's just one wrap video, but I will put it in the links down below if you want to check it out. With that, I want to tangent into like, thank you guys so much for being around for this, for like watching my videos and leaving me such kind comments. Like, I really can't express, I say this in every video, but it's so true. Like, I can't express how much that means to me and how incredible it is to think that there are like people on the internet watching my channel and like supporting me, and like I do my best to like reciprocate. So like if you're struggling too, and you like are going through stuff with your finances or whatever, and you want someone to like reach out to, definitely leave me a comment. You can reach out to me on Instagram too. Like, I don't want this to be a one-way street kind of thing. Like, that would be, you know what I mean. So I just wanted to put that out there as well. Yeah, I appreciate you guys, and you make it worth it. Like, quite literally, like, I would definitely not be filming videos any longer if it wasn't for all of your guys' kind words of support. So thank you guys so very much, and hopefully this works out so that I can give you guys one. I mean, might as well just give you one anyways. Like, this is stinking adorable as like a little notebook. So yeah, with all that rambling out of the way, this video is much longer than I wanted it to be. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!